Alright guys, I'm excited. I got this package right here. This is the Mars Adventure Gear roof rack system. Alright, pretty cool that they label everything with their branding on this. Alright. Oh cool. It even comes with the tool here. 13mm. First thing I do is remove these covers. There's going to be 6 of them total, 3 on each side to install this. I already removed these side ones. All you got to do is pop it like this, push towards the center like that, and when you do, it allows you to pull this out like that. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is get a 10mm socket, grab it to the original bolts that's pulling down the anchors on each side. You can do it to all 6 sides. These Expedition base rack base things, and you're going to attach it with the logo facing the outside like this. Just like that. And then you're going to use the original nuts to put it inside. The bolts in the front here are the hardest to reach. It's this one, those 2 bolts right there. So you have to get it from the other side. Just right here. So you can kind of see I have a wrench in there. Yeah, I can. So I installed the side rack part, as you can see here, but I noticed that there's this gap right here. See that gap? There's a gap right here. You can see right through it, and it's kind of inconsistent. See, it gets more narrow right here, and then it widens up again right here. So it kind of bothers me. I bought some foam that I'm gonna put in between, and looks like this. Expandable foam. I'm going to put in the gaps. What I'll be doing is using this foam and fill in the gap in between each screw. So I'll measure it out and go all the way to the very end. See, there's the first foam I installed. You can see there's the bolts that connect the front and rear portion of the rack. Now you can see I installed the foam on all of the lower side of this rack. It's time to put it on. As you can see, I installed the foam on this side. Covers those gaps a lot better now. You don't see through it. Alright guys, looks like I installed the rack with the way I wanted it to. I got the foam inserts in there so it doesn't leave that gap. Looks a lot cleaner installed, but it's kind of dark already. Well, this is my installation and quick review of the Mars Adventure Gear full rack system for the Cybertruck. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.